I want to talk to you about inner child healing for a second. This is something I really love to do for myself and with my clients. Also the inner teen, I've talked about it here. I just had the big perspective shift in something that is going to blow your mind when it comes to healing the inner child. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to connect to a past version of you that is feeling stuck. First memory that comes to mind as a childhood. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Whatever mind chooses is perfect. And then the next thing I want you to do is I want you to pull this out of your mind. I want you to see it as a photograph in front of you. You are holding this photograph. And then I want you to connect to the present moment. So maybe it's connecting to what you're sitting on or connecting to the sounds around you and thinking, I am here. And then I want you to hold this picture out in front of you. And then I want you to say, and there you are. I am here. Here I am. There you are. I am here. Here I am. There you are. And so the next thing that you're going to do is this. Next thing that you'll do is I want you to take a look at this photograph and notice that she takes a deep breath. That photograph, that child in the photo takes a deep breath. And then I am here, and the child takes a deep breath in the photograph. And then I am here, she is there. And then as you are going back and forth, notice that the photograph becomes a movie, and now you are watching the movie. I want you to place your hands on your body. And I want you to just take a moment and realize that that version of you is no longer you. There's no possible way that right now you are a 5-year-old or you are a 7-year-old or whatever age it was, right? So continue, you're watching the movie, you see she is there, I am here. She is there, I am here. She has made it, I have made it, I am here. She survived every single day since then. I survived. I am here. And then from there, I want you to just go ahead and take a deep breath, and I want you to allow this to integrate. There is a next step, but it's too much for stories. But give that a try and then shoot me a DM and let me know how it goes for you.